It is Mental Health Awareness Month, and all this week we are shining a light on the people dedicated to helping others. More than 1.3 million veterans live in Florida, and despite those numbers, some say they feel alone.
West 2's Christina Watkins tells us about one group creating an environment where no veteran feels left behind.
I was in the Army for almost 10 years. I got out as a staff sergeant.
Jordan Snipes does not shy away from talking about his time in the military. In fact, he encourages the conversation while on his new mission. Snipes is an officer for the Edgewater Police Department in Volusia County and the founder of Speak Up, Tomorrow Needs You.
I, in the military, lost a couple people to suicide and mental health. No one should ever get to that point where they feel that there's nothing else for them, or that there's nothing else left to live for.
His organization started with a few good people and has grown over the years into a large-scale community effort to make sure no hero is ever left behind in their battle for mental health.
We want to push them together to show, hey, there is people out there for you. We're not alone, and we can keep going.
What I love about Speak Up Tomorrow Needs You is most organizations, they get grants, they get funding. How do you all operate?
Speak Up Tomorrow Needs You is 100% volunteer-based. We do everything from the community. None of our board members or any of our people that we work with draw compensation. We're all in this for the heart.
Snipes says they provide a safe, supportive environment through a wide range of free services, community events, licensed therapy, and critical incident debriefings. Every board member, such as Dylan Curtis, is either a veteran or a first responder.
So many of us have lost more friends, to suicide than any other way. Sad as that is why it's so important to be proactive and not reactive to a lot of these things. Getting out there in the community and doing so much of this.
The organization's biggest event includes walking more than 100,000 feet through Port Orange, New Smyrna, and Edgewater. It's their annual 22 Miles for 22 walk. They do this every September during Suicide Prevention Month. Snipes says more than 200 supporters showed up last year.
We have anywhere between veterans families that want to understand kind of a little bit more about their veterans. We have first responder families, and then we have the public who just want to challenge themselves to walk 22 miles.
Countywide data shows there are at least 70,000 veterans living in Volusia. So as Speak Up Tomorrow Needs You grows along the coast, they hope more of you will join their cause to be part of the solution.
Whether it's getting out in the community, whether it's just having a phone number that they can always call and feeling not judged, maybe they just need to get some fresh air and they need to come hang out at the beach for a while and just meet a new friend group.
Be a kind person who, no matter who you are, someone could be having a bad day and you have no idea, and you can affect change on every person you talk to.
Covering Volusia County and Edgewater, Christina Watkins, West 2 News.